In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Form questions conditional. This technique is incredibly handy for creating interactive and dynamic forms that adapt based on the respondent's answers, enhancing the overall user experience. First, let's start with accessing your Google Form. You'll begin by navigating to the Google Forms website. Once there, you will need to sign in to your account. Click the Sign In button, enter your email address, and after clicking Next, type in your password. Once you've successfully logged in, you're ready to get started with your form. Now that you're signed in, it's time to select the specific form you want to work on. Navigate to your list of existing forms and choose the one you'd like to make conditional. If you're starting from scratch, this is where you'll create a new form. Once you've opened your form, find the section you want to make conditional. Google Forms organizes questions into sections, which helps keep your form organized and easier to navigate, especially for longer forms. Clicking on the section you're interested in modifying is the first step in making a question conditional. Next, look for the three dots located at the bottom of the question box. This menu is your gateway to more advanced features, including making questions conditional. Click on these three dots to open up additional options. From the menu that appears, select Go to Section Based on Answer. This is a critical step because it allows you to set different paths for your respondents to take through your form, depending on how they answer a specific question. This feature can make your form feel more personalized and relevant to each user. Finally, you'll choose the destination for each possible answer. This means you can direct respondents to different sections of your form based on what they select. It's a powerful tool for tailoring the form experience, ensuring respondents only see the most relevant questions for them. A few tips to remember: think carefully about the flow of your form as you set up these conditional paths. It's essential to plan how respondents will navigate through your form to make the experience as smooth as possible. Additionally, always test your form before sending it out. This testing phase is your chance to catch any issues with the conditional logic and ensure everything works as intended. And there you have it. With these steps, you can make your Google Form questions conditional, creating a more dynamic and engaging experience for your respondents. Whether you're creating a survey, a quiz, or any other type of form, this feature can be a game changer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to test thoroughly to ensure your form performs exactly as you envisioned.